Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover interactive lesson plans and Kahoot games on the Kahoot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the Discover button down below, which is the second option. And as you can see, there are many categories that you can choose from. Distinct categories. So here are, for example, these back to school Kahoot games, full interactive lesson plans, Halloween plans, middle school Kahoot games, games for elementary school students, for kindergarten students. Then here are partner collections such as Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, and so on. Here are the topics: Marvel official, ready to use courses and lessons, library, Disney partner collections, and so on. So if you are looking for these courses, tap on the See All button, and here you are ready to search among the results by tapping on the search bar at the top of the screen in the right side corner. Here you can, for example, sort them by the most recent one, oldest, or their name, and also you can select the language. For example, this is about learning the alphabet. Here are all the Kahoots that this pack contains. This is English beginner language course. Spanish courses are available. So there is a vast variety of Kahoot games organized into distinct categories, ranging from language learning to science and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.